The new positioning SAP Business Suite exam is no longer theory-based. It uses AI roleplay where a virtual client challenges your consulting decisions in real time. For SAP Sales, Pre-Sales, and Solution Consulting, this video shows how the performance-based exam works and how to handle scenario questions. You'll respond to real consulting cases, handle objections, and position SAP Business Suite like a consultant. The exam focuses on applications, data, and AI, testing how well you connect SAP solutions to real business problems. You must identify pain points, map capabilities, and defend business value under pressure, while an AI stakeholder challenges your reasoning with follow-ups. Let's begin Scenario 1. Scenario 1. Manufacturing Client Modernization. AI. Persona. Our manufacturing company uses multiple disconnected systems for procurement, analytics, and operations. Why should we move to SAP Business Suite? Candidate response. SAP Business Suite integrates business applications, enterprise data, and AI into one ecosystem. Instead of isolated systems, your teams operate through connected workflows across finance, supply chain, procurement, and analytics. For example, SAP S/4 HANA streamlines core ERP operations. Business Data Cloud centralizes enterprise data. SAP Business AI introduces automation and intelligent recommendations. This reduces operational silos and improves decision-making speed. AI persona. How does AI actually help this company? Candidate response. AI improves operational efficiency through predictive insights and automation. For example, predictive maintenance reduces equipment downtime. AI-assisted procurement improves supplier decisions. Intelligent forecasting improves inventory planning. Instead of reactive operations, the company moves toward predictive operations. AI persona. What business value should executives expect? Candidate response. Executives typically focus on 3 measurable outcomes: lower operational costs, faster decision-making, improved business agility. SAP Business Suite helps unify enterprise operations while enabling AI-driven innovation across departments. In SAP hands-on practice exams, avoid giving feature-only answers. The AI evaluator expects business problem analysis, SAP solution mapping, business outcome justification. That structure is critical in SAP exam simulation environments. Scenario 2. Retail company AI transformation. AI persona. Our retail company already has analytics tools. Why should we adopt SAP Business Suite? Candidate response. Most analytics tools only provide visibility. SAP Business Suite combines analytics with operational execution and AI-driven actions. For example, SAP Business Data. Cloud centralizes customer and operational data. SAP Business AI identifies purchasing trends. SAP applications automate workflows based on insights. This creates a closed-loop, intelligent enterprise environment. AI persona. How would you explain this to non-technical executives? Candidate response. I would focus on business outcomes instead of technical architecture. For executives, SAP Business Suite means faster customer response, better forecasting accuracy, personalized customer engagement, smarter operational decisions. The goal is not just reporting data, it's turning data into business action. AI persona. What implementation concern might the client raise? Candidate response. Clients often worry about integration complexity and user adoption. SAP addresses this through unified platform strategy, scalable cloud architecture, embedded AI experiences, integration across SAP ecosystems. This simplifies long-term transformation planning. If you want realistic scenario-based questions, check out certshero.com. You can practice AI role-play scenarios, mock assessments, flashcards, and SAP exam tasks designed for the new 2026 exam format. Scenario 3. Executive Objection Handling, AI. Persona. Why shouldn't we simply keep our current ERP and add separate AI tools? Candidate response. Using disconnected AI tools creates fragmented processes and inconsistent data governance. SAP Business Suite integrates AI directly into enterprise workflows. That means AI recommendations use real-time enterprise data, security and governance remain centralized, business users interact with AI inside operational processes. This reduces complexity while improving reliability and scalability. AI persona. How would you justify ROI? Candidate. Response. ROI can be demonstrated through operational efficiency gains and decision acceleration. Examples include reduced manual processing, faster reporting cycles, lower downtime, improved forecast accuracy, better customer engagement. The value comes from combining applications, enterprise data, and AI into one operational strategy. AI persona. What mistake causes candidates to fail this scenario? Candidate response. Most candidates fail because they explain SAP products individually instead of connecting them to business transformation goals. The SAP performance-based exam evaluates consulting thinking, not memorized definitions. Today, you practiced real AI role-play scenarios for the Positioning SAP Business Suite certification. That's exactly what the new SAP hands-on practice exams are testing. For more exam tasks, performance-based exam simulations, and advanced certification preparation, explore the SAP playlist on this channel. And if you want realistic AI role-play practice for this exam, visit certshero.com and start training with scenario-based simulations today. Practice consistently, think like a consultant, and you'll be far ahead of most SAP candidates.